Hi, I'm Veronica from Southwest Toyota Lift. Today I would like you to meet the Advanced Model number 7765 Rider Sweeper Scrubber by Nilfisk. The heavy-duty cleaning machine built to tackle your biggest jobs indoors or out. This industrial powerhouse floor cleaner sweeps and scrubs in a single pass, saving time and labor while leaving your floors spotless and dry. With its dual-mode cleaning system, the 7765 removes tough debris and ground-in grime in one efficient motion, ideal for warehouses, distribution centers, and parking lots that demand professional-grade results. Operators love the easy-to-use controls and adjustable cleaning pressure, delivering consistent performance across concrete, asphalt, and coated floors. Its large debris hopper and generous solution and recovery tanks mean fewer stops and more productivity every shift. Built with a rugged steel frame and designed for low-maintenance operation, the 7765 is engineered to keep your facility clean and your team efficient. Take control of your cleaning routine with the advanced 7765 Sweeper Scrubber. For a demo or quote, visit swtoyotalift.com or contact us today.